Agrimly is an AI-powered platform for online agriculture education.
Hello everyone, welcome to Agriculture News Affair for your upcoming exam. In this, we are going to discuss about ongoing Viksit Krishi Sankalp Abhiyan that was launched across the India. Let us see what is the key fact related to Viksit Krishi Sankalp Abhiyan. What was in the news? Viksit Krishi Sankalp Abhiyan was launched on 29th May 2025 from Sakhi Gopal, Puri district, Odisha. You must remember this fact, both the launch date and the launch place both are very important for examination. The campaign will be held over 15 days from 29 May to 12 June 2025, covering more than 700 districts. It is jointly initiated by Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare and Indian Council of Agriculture Research ICR. A total of 2,170 teams comprising 1,600 scientists will visit village. Each team will interact with two villages per day. The campaign uses two-way communication model for knowledge sharing and gathering farmer feedback. Scientists will advise farmers on climate-based crop planning, soil health, water management, crop varieties, and fertilizer uses. Discussion will focus basically on natural farming, pulses, and oilseed cultivation. The goal is to transform agriculture, increase production, and make India the food bank of the world. The program promotes the idea that farmers are not only Annadata but also Jivan Data. Let us see all those subheadings related to this Abhiyan. First, we are going to talk about Viksit Krishi Sankalp Abhiyan heading. It is a national level agricultural awareness and outreach campaign launched on 29 May 2025 from Bhubaneswar, Odisha. It connects a laboratory to farm through real-time interaction and feedback from farmer. The campaign support research-driven solution for field-level agricultural problem. Another headings associated with this program is the Indian Council of Agricultural Research, so we must know about it. ICR was established on 15 July 1929, which function under Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare. This is very much important. ICR establishment and it is headquartered in New Delhi and coordinate agricultural research, education and extension across India. ICR manages a network of 113 research institute, 4 deemed university and 731 Krishi Vigyan Kendra KVKs. Another important institution which is linked with this program is Krishi Vigyan Kendra. The first Krishi Vigyan Kendra or Farm Science Center was established on 21st March 1974 under the guidance of ICR. KVK are district level agricultural extension center that facilitate on-farm testing, training and dissemination technology. This is important fact, it could be asked in examination. There are currently 730 KVK operational across India. Odisha University of Agriculture and Technology. OUT was established in the 1952 in Bhubaneswar, Odisha. It is second oldest agricultural city in India that offers agricultural education, research extension, and also related to allied sciences. Keep remembering this is the second oldest agricultural city, so this could be the important exam fact. First agricultural city is Govind Ballabh Pant Agricultural City and Technology, Pantnagar. Another important fact is Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana was launched on 18 February 2015 to provide affordable crop insurance to the farmer. It covers crop losses due to natural calamities, pest and disease, and promote financial stability among farmer. Premium rates are 2% for Kharif. Keep remembering this is important fact. 1.5% for Rabi, 5% for horticultural crop, and shared by center and the state. Krishi Kisan Credit Card Scheme (KCC). So KCC was launched in August 1998 based on NABARD's recommendation. It provides short-term and term credit to farmers for crop production, allied activity, and investment purpose. Farmers are eligible for up to 4% interest subsidy, which may reduce to zero with state government contribution. And now let us talk about what are multiple choice questions that could be created from Viksit Krishi Sankalp Abhiyan fact. Number 1. When was the Viksit Krishi Sankalp Abhiyan officially launched in India? So what could be the answer? 29th May 2025. Another question. Which two bodies jointly launched the Viksit Krishi Sankalp Abhiyan? So it is the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare and another is ICR. So this is answer. Next, what is the total number of Krishi Vigyan Kendra KVK currently functioning across India? So today there are 731 Krishi Vigyan Kendra functioning under ICR. Next question. Which agricultural city is the second oldest in India and located in Bhubaneswar, Odisha? So Odisha University of Agriculture and Technology is considered as a second oldest agricultural university in India. Next question. What are the premium rate under Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana for Kharif, Rabi and horticultural crop respectively? So for Kharif it is a 2%, for Rabi it is 1.5% and for horticultural crop it is the 5%. So this is all about important fact related to Viksit Krishi Sankalpa Abhiyan.
AgriCA, which stands for Agriculture Current Affairs, is now available in its latest version with AI curation. It's the perfect resource for all your agriculture-related exams. The book is colorful, errorless, and sourced from a reliable authority. It's based on an in-depth analysis of all the previous year's questions. You can order a hard copy with a heavy discount and also access the ebook on our Agrimly app with a substantial discount as well. For more information, visit our website at www